Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enchant your road in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to catch mythics faster or stop your line from snapping, you need enchants. And in today's video, I'm going to show you where to go to upgrade your road and which enchantments are actually worth your hard-earned coins. So first, you need to go to the Esoteric Islands. Here I've already arrived on the island, and then you need to head or you need to go down to the Esoteric depths by going inside, and after that you'll find the elevator main man. Okay, there's one's in here. Okay, this one. So just talk to him first and say that you would like to use the elevator and pay for 400 coins. Now you can just head into the elevator and go down. After that, you can just walk straight in here. Oops, outside the elevator. Don't forget to hold your ancient stone like this and head to the altar where you can do the enchantments. Okay, this is the altar. Place it on the altar and it will do its magic and apply the enchantments for your road. If you want to change it again, you can just repeat the exact same steps like this. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.